Welcome back to my channel at Jackie Naturals. I'm going to run you through the benefits of tallow. This is beef tallow. Beef tallow is the animal fat from cow. It's a cow fat that is so good. It has very many benefits, and this should make you to stop using the seed oils to cook your food, but instead use the animal fats. I'm going to explain to you why. Kindly watch till the end. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly please subscribe to help me grow and to like my videos, and God bless you so much. I'm going to explain why you should start using beef tallow or any tallow, whether it is the fats from sheep, goat, the fats from chicken, the organic chicken. The organic chicken is very good also, and very many other, any other animal fat is good for your cooking. Tallow fats contain the healthy fats that you need in your body, that matches the fats that you have in your body, the good fats that you have in your body, the brown fats. And these fats are oleic acid, there is the stearic acid, among others. And those fats, you have them in your body that are going to match with these tallow fats. It has good cholesterol and not bad cholesterol. Kindly stop using seed oils because they cause a lot of harm in your body. This is the best fats. The tallow fats is the best fat to use. What about the nutrition of fats? What does it have? What does it contain that is good for your body? Number one, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K that are so good. Like, talk about vitamin D, good for your bones, good for your joints, and anything to do with the bones and the development of bones and even the strong bones. This is the way you're going to get rid of arthritis. You're going to get rid of bone issues, bone weaknesses, the knees, the joints, pains, and everything that disturbs you about the bones. And even the veins, it's very good because it boosts the cholesterol. Good cholesterol, it displaces the bad cholesterol that troubles your body, that brings the diseases, the many diseases. Most of the points the benefits we are going to put in the video description, but kindly don't forget that this is good for your heart health, this is good for your chest, it is good for your skin, it is good for your gut because it has the good fats that does not harm your body, but it's good even for those people who are losing weight. Kindly stop using seed oils. If you want to lose weight, go for the healthy fats, the animal fats, the tallow fat, because they are good cholesterols that that displaces the bad cholesterol in your body, and they burn fats. Now, this is how you're going to get the healthy fats in your body and displace the bad fats. Tallow fats are very good for your brain function, because without the cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, remember, it finds its way to the blood, but this one gives you laxative moods, and very good for your health. The mood swings, you're not going to experience this. Finally, if you want to balance your hormones, stop using seed oils, but go for this tallow fat. Very good for skin because of the stearic acid that is in it, and the oleic acid that is in your body, that is in your skin, that you need for a glow and a youthful face. This is how you're going to experience a youthful face, because of boosting the stearic acid and the oleic acid in your body and transferred to your skin. Thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly check on the description. We are putting more of the benefits.